Every man should know this before being physically intimate or sleep with her. Number 1. She will compare you to her ex. The first time a woman sleeps with you, it's almost inevitable that she will compare you to her ex, especially if that past relation left an impression. But don't panic. This isn't a bad thing. It's a natural thought process, and now it's your chance to create new experiences with her. If her ex was incredible, you don't need to outdo him, just focus on being present and attentive. If he wasn't that great, well, you have already got a head start. The key is to be yourself and let her feel like she's in a whole new experience with you. Number 2. Always use protection. No matter how beautiful, charming, or seemingly safe she looks, you can't judge a book by its cover. Protecting yourself isn't just about avoiding unwanted pregnancy, it's all about safeguarding your health. Even if she says she's clean or shows you a recent test result, remember that things can change quickly. It's not about trust, it's about being smart and responsible. So before anything happens, make sure you are prepared. You are more worth than a moment of pleasure. Number 3. Orgasm isn't everything. Another thing men often get caught up is in making sure she orgasms every time. But here's the truth. A woman doesn't always need to reach climax to enjoy the experience. Some women, especially when they are with a new partner, may struggle to get there because of anxiety or self-consciousness. The pressure to perform can make things even more difficult for her, so relax. Focus on making her comfortable and enjoying the moment rather than trying to be world's greatest lover right out of gate. When she feels safe, the experience becomes much more enjoyable for both of you. Number 4. Women can sense inexperience. Here's something important to remember. Women are highly intuitive. They can pick up your level of experience, especially if you are trying too hard to impress them. A lot of guys think they need to pull out all the stops, pumping up their stamina with energy drinks, trying every move in the book just to impress a woman. But that's not necessary. In fact, overdoing it can backfire. Instead of focusing on being best, focus on being genuine. Every woman is different, so what worked for someone else may not work for her. Take your time, be yourself, and let things happen naturally. Number 5. Be aware of her fertile period. Knowing if she is in her fertile period, some women, whether consciously or unconsciously, might use this time to try and lock you down with an unexpected pregnancy, especially if they are hoping to take relation to next level. You might think everything's going well, but she could have other plans. So if you are not ready for that kind of responsibility, make sure you protect yourself or have an open conversation about where things stand. It's better to be safe than caught off guard. Number 6. Don't worry about being a bedroom pro. Another thing, don't feel like you need to be a bedroom pro from day one. Some guys believe that they have to show off all their skills right off the bat, but that's not necessary, especially if you are looking for a serious relation. In fact, going too hard too soon can make a woman question that how many times you have done this before and with how many girls. It might even make her feel like she is just another notch in your belt. So start slow, be considerate, and build that trust over time. Your connection with her will grow naturally as you both become more comfortable with each other. At the end of the day, it's not about trying to prove yourself in the bedroom or worrying about doing everything perfectly. It's about connection which you both will build with passage of time. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe the channel.